Welcome to Level Up English, your bridge to real English. I'm Nora.
And I'm Leo. Let's go.
Okay, Leo, I have a riddle for you. What English word can mean receive, arrive, become, understand, and buy all at the same time?
That sounds like a broken word.
It's not broken. It's just get, the most overworked word in the English language.
Huh. Get really does everything, doesn't it?
Everything. And that's why it's so confusing for learners. You study get and you think you know it. I get it. It means receive. But then someone says, I need to get going. And you're like, going where? Getting what?
So today we're doing something fun. We're calling it the Get Challenge. We're going to go through real situations, mini stories from our actual lives, and every time get shows up with a different meaning, we stop and break it down.
And the challenge for you listening, count how many different meanings of get we cover. Keep a number in your head. We'll check at the end. Ready?
Let's get into it. See what I did there?
Terrible. I love it. Okay, story number 1. Leo, tell me about this morning.
So this morning I got up at 5, as always, and I got a text from my first client saying she was sick. So I got a bit annoyed because I'd already made the smoothie and everything. But whatever, I got over it pretty fast.
Okay, 4 different gets in one story. Let's break them down. First, I got up. That means you physically stood up, left the bed. Get up, to rise, to stand.
Then I got a text. Here, got means received. I got a message. I got an email. I got a package. When something comes to you, you got it.
Third, I got annoyed. This one's different. Here, get means become. I got annoyed means I became annoyed. You weren't annoyed before, but then you got annoyed.
Get plus an emotion or state. I got tired. I got hungry. I got nervous. It's like a switch. You weren't that thing, and then you got that thing.
This is huge for everyday English. I got confused. I got lost. I got sick. You can describe any change that happened to you. Say it with me. I got tired. I got hungry. I got nervous. See? Get is doing a completely different job here than I got a text.
And you can use it for good things too. I got excited. I got lucky. I got better at cooking. It works both ways. And the fourth one, I got over it. Get over means you stopped being upset about something. You moved on. She broke up with me, but I got over it. The flight was canceled. I got over it and booked a new one.
Get over it is so useful, and people use it as advice too. Just get over it, meaning stop worrying about it, move on.
And think about what just happened. We covered 4 completely different meanings of get in one tiny story. Your textbook probably taught you get equals receive and stopped there. But real English throws all of these at you at once.
And that's the hard part. When you hear I got over it, your brain tries to decode get plus over plus it as 3 separate words. But it's not 3 words. It's one expression. Get over it. One meaning. And until your brain learns to hear it that way, as one thing, you'll always be a step behind.
That's what From Stuck to Fluent trains. 30 days of practice where your brain learns to hear get over it as one thing, not 3 words to decode. That's the difference between studying English and actually using it.
QR codes on screen, links in the pinned comment. The 500 Everyday Phrases bonus is still up, but it won't be there forever.
All right, story number 2. Nora, what happened last weekend?
Oh, last weekend was chaos. So I was trying to get to my sister Nina's place across town. I got on the wrong bus, don't ask. Then I had to get off and figure out where I was. I finally got there like 40 minutes late. Nina was not happy.
Amazing. 3 new gets. Get to, that means arrive. I got to work at 9. What time did you get to the airport? Get to equals arrive at.
Then I got on the bus. Get on means to board. You get on buses, trains, planes, bikes. And the opposite, I got off. Get off means you leave the vehicle. I got off at the wrong stop.
Easy rule. Big vehicles, you get on and get off. Get on the train, get off the plane. But small vehicles, you get in and get out. Get in the car, get out of the taxi.
Oh, that's a great distinction. Big is on and off. Small is in and out. I got in the car. I got out of the Uber. But I got on the bus. I got off the subway.
Quick practice. Finish this sentence out loud. I usually get to work at... What time? Say it. I usually get to work at...
Nice. Okay, Leo, next story. Make it a good one.
All right, so last week I was trying to explain a new exercise to a client, and she just wasn't getting it. I explained 3 different ways. Then I showed her a video and she went, "Oh, I get it now."
Love it. Get it means understand. Do you get it? Do you understand? I don't get it. I don't understand. Oh, now I get it. Now I understand.
This one's everywhere. I don't get why she's upset. Do you get what I'm saying? I get it. I get it.
And here's what's tricky. Someone says, I got it, and it could mean I received it or I understood it. Context tells you which one.
Like, did you get my email? Yeah, I got it. Received. But, so the verb goes before the noun. Oh, I get it. Understood. Same words, totally different meaning.
Here's another one. I got cold. Does that mean you received a cold? You became cold? You bought a cold drink? It depends. I was outside for an hour and I got cold. Became cold. I got a cold last week. Received. Caught a sickness. See how context changes everything?
English is wild, but that's what makes get so powerful. Once you master it, you sound incredibly natural.
And that is why get drives learners crazy, but also why it's so powerful once you get it. See, I just used it again.
All right, more gets. We're not done.
Not even close. Okay, here's a fun one. Let me get a coffee. What does get mean here?
Buy, or just obtain. Get can mean buy or grab. I need to get some groceries. Can you get me a water? I'll get the check. That means I'll pay.
I'll get the check. Hey, restaurant callback. Very useful. And can you get me a is how you ask someone to bring you something. Can you get me a napkin? Can you get me my phone?
So now get also means buy and bring. This word literally never stops.
And think about how natural this sounds. I need to get a new phone. Nobody says I need to purchase a new phone in casual conversation. Get is the casual everyday version of buy. Where did you get those shoes? I got them online.
Where did you get that? You'll hear it all the time. It means where did you buy that? Or where did you find that? Super common.
Okay, one more round. Fast gets that you hear all the time.
Get along. When 2 people have a good relationship, they get along really well. My cat and my roommate don't get along. You can also ask, do you get along with your coworkers?
Pixel doesn't get along with anyone. He tolerates me. That's about it. Okay, get through. To survive or finish something difficult. I need to get through this week. How did you get through that exam?
Get through like pushing through a tough moment. I tell my clients this all the time. Come on, you can get through this set. And honestly, every one of you is getting through the challenge of learning English right now. That counts.
That definitely counts. And one that's super common, get rid of. To throw away, to eliminate. I need to get rid of these old shoes. I got rid of all my junk last weekend.
Get rid of? So useful for cleaning, organizing, or just talking about removing something from your life. I'm trying to get rid of a bad habit.
Oh, and last one, get back to. To return to something or respond later. I'll get back to you on that. You hear this at work all the time. It means I'll respond later with an answer.
Let me get back to you. Professional, smooth, and advise time when you don't have an answer yet.
Okay, counting time. How many different meanings of get did we cover? Listeners, what's your number?
Let's count together. Get up, rise, get something, receive, get plus emotion, become, get over, move on, get to, arrive, get on, board, get off, exit, get it, understand, get something, buy, get along, have a good relationship,
Get through, survive something hard. Get rid of, eliminate. Get back to, respond later.
That's 13 meanings. 13. One tiny word. Can you believe it?
And you know what's wild? There are even more we didn't cover. Get is probably the busiest word in English.
But those 13, those are the ones you'll hear and use every single day. If you memorize those, you've unlocked a huge part of real English.
All right, comment challenge time.
Write a mini story in the comments using at least 3 different meanings of get in the same story. Like Leo's story at the beginning. I got up early, got a message, and got annoyed. Can you top that? Try to use 4 or 5.
The more creative, the better. We'll read them all. And if someone uses all 13 in one story, legend status. Absolute legend.
Instant legend. Okay, if you learned something today, subscribe. Hit that bell. New episodes every week.
Smash the like button and share this with someone who's confused by get. So, everyone learning English.
Pretty much. All right, you crushed it today.
Now get out there and get better at English. See what I did?
2 more gets. You can't stop.
Never. Bye everyone. Keep leveling up.
Bye.